Former Camarines Sur Representative Rolando Andaya is not giving up on the possible tandem of Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte and former Defense Secretary Gibo. When Senator Imee Marcos said this on the tandem of former Senator Bongbong Marcos and Mayor Sara, Andaya has this reply to Marcos. Andaya claims if elections were held today, the Sara-Gibo tandem will undoubtedly win. The former lawmaker explained he is a religious person and apologized for mentioning God's name in vain, but he said that the Sara-Gibo tandem is of high level.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.